Friends, welcome to Future of Excel with Copilot. Let's just have some fun with Copilot here. So we'll create some dummy data here. Let's just create some sort of data here. We have given name and salary. So let's say name is Tom and salary is 100. Let's say name is Ram and salary is 200. All right, so just something, and maybe let's another one. Name is Terry and salary is 150. All right. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to figure out like what is the future of Excel with Copilot looking like. So let's expand it a little bit so that we can see what's going on over here. And then you can see that there is this thing called Copilot and it's currently blanked out. So from what I understand, in order for Copilot to activate, we need to click on Insert and click on Table. And then you have to say, okay, once this thing has been done, then hopefully we should now, do you see the Copilot icon now? We still don't see Copilot icon. The Copilot only works with files stored in OneDrive or SharePoint. Okay. So in order for Copilot to work, this drive needs to be in the OneDrive. All right, so let me save this thing onto the OneDrive, save as, and here is the OneDrive. So we'll save it over here and we'll call it sample something. So one thing to understand is that Copilot is only going to work with files which are in the OneDrive. All right. So now this guy has got into the OneDrive. Now the Copilot guy is active. Now that's our first learning, that in order for us to leverage Copilot, the file has to be in OneDrive. So I think it runs some AI algorithms on top of it, stuff like that. So now Copilot is active, and now we can ask it some question. So we already have a table here. What is it saying? That I only work in Excel table? This is a table. Okay, now can I ask a question? So we highlighted something and then we'll ask it a question. Hey, how much does Ram earns? So now as you can see, I can talk to Copilot and it will give me responses, and it will tell me that Ram earns 200. All right, so it figured it out. Now we asked a question like, I want to give 10% increment to Ram. How much will it be? Stuff like that. So you can work with Excel in a Copilot-like format, and then it will give you some idea, and it's not able to do this basic calculation. Why not? I can't do that right now using this tips and try again. Okay, take a look at salary column. Give me another column and add 10% increment to each row, something like that. Let's see if we can pick up this basic kind of thinking. So we are saying that, okay, that's pretty good. So it gave me an idea of what to do. So I can copy this thing. I can go over here. I can say increment, and then I can paste that formula over here that it just gave me. And here you go. Perfect. So as you can see, the Copilot can become your real coach inside Excel. And here we were able to do the increment. Let's say the name of Tom is Tom and the last name is Last, and the name of Ram is Ram and the last name is, let's just say, Sharma, and the name of Terry is Terry and the last name is, say, King or Queen, right? So now the question comes that how do I get first name and last name from this? So we can work, we have to highlight this data, and then this guy becomes active. So give me a formula to separate words by space, right? Let's try this. So give me a formula to separate words by space. Let's see if it can give me that formula. And here it is. Okay. So left, find, whatever. So let's copy this thing and let's say first, and we'll dump this formula over here. What is, okay, it did it. So at name, find name -1. Okay. I don't know what this formula is, but let's learn it. So at name, it's able to reference the name column, and then it's finding. So this is very interesting. Like I just learned something that I didn't know, that in the formula, using the at symbol, you can reference the columns, and you can see this is how the future of computing is. You are able to break it, and we can also say that now help me write a formula for last name, and let's see if it can work on it. So as you can see, we are able to make progress, and here it gave me the right formula. So if I go over here, dump this guy over here, right, and here is the last name. So this is perfect. Like now, if you can see here, this formula looks fairly interesting. We are going for right at name, length at name, minus find, space at name, and then it's like doing some sort of thinking, and it can explain us this formula as well. So this is, here it is, future of human-computer interaction in Microsoft Excel. We were able to create two different formulas. One was about increasing salary by 10%. Other one was about how to get the first and last name. And we also learned some new formulas over here. That was really, really interesting. I could not have done it without the help of Copilot. So as you can see, our dependency on tools like Copilot is only going to increase. All right, friends. So here is future of computing in Excel through Microsoft Copilot. We just learned two different formulas, and it's going to get better and better and better. I think Google is also doing something similar here. We'll explore it maybe in the next video. All right, thank you and have a good day.